Okay, so this is going to be a really, really quick video. I have to leave here in about 20 minutes on this crocodile alligator file. So again, I don't remember where it came from. It was in a CNC Facebook group. Anyway, so the first thing I do is I will open it in this program called Desk Proto. It's a free program, and all I'm doing is looking at the file. So if I come up here, I don't know if you can see that, it's under parameters, part parameters, and transform. I just want to get the dimensions. So right now, this is 120 inches by 500 inches. Obviously, that's not going to happen. So I'm just going to change this to 1 inch and the Z height, and then get these numbers. So 23.7861, 5.7505. I already have my stock set up to those dimensions. So here you can see I have those dimensions in my X and Y. Thickness, I'm arbitrarily using 2 inches. Actually, I'll change this to 1 because that's what the file is. And we'll look at that. This stuff doesn't matter. And then next I'm going to draw a rectangle. And I did save that. All right. I just copied the dimensions, 5.75. And then I'm going to center it on my stock, align to stock. All right, keep that highlighted. In model tab, I'm gonna create my stock. So change this to flat. Height is 1 inch. I'm just gonna name this stock. And this is gonna be add. So hit apply, and there's my 1 inch stock. So next I'm going to click on this. I'm still have this selected. My stock's the same size as the rectangle, so that's not actually important. Import it, and that's the name of the file. Again, this was free somewhere, and if I have time later, I'll try to find it again. Click open, and it will import it. Okay, so you can't see anything yet. So leave these two things the same, and then our height was 1 inch. That is the height of our stock, and then also the height of the model. And change this to equal. Change this to equal. Hit apply, and then show 3D. Now, if we do it this way, this distance from here to here is 1 inch. So if I click done, I'm done. Toolpath, again, leave that selected. You can do your 3D rough. Change this to 1/4 inch. Let's do hardwood. All that can stay the same. Hit OK. It's going to take a while. And then 3D finish. We'll change this to an 1/8 inch ball mill. Click OK, and then I'm going to change this to 0.0125, 10% of the diameter of the bit. And since we're taking very little off, I'm just going to up this quite a bit. Use your own judgment on that. I'm just doing it for demonstration purposes. And again, this is going to take a while. And then show simulation. Wish there was a way to make this faster. That's not doing anything, is it? Maybe it is. And there is the file. Now, I'm going to go back and start over. Because again, from the bottom to the top is 1 inch. So I'm going to go back here to model, and I'm going to delete that. STL, and then go back over here. Actually, I'm going to delete both of those. To design, and I'm going to change this back to 2. And then do the exact same thing. Select that. Make this flat and make it 2. And then import the STL again. This time I'm going to make the height 1 inch because that's what the actual model is. And then down here, base height, I'm going to make that 1 inch so it equals the 2 inches of my stock thickness. And I'm going to change this merge type to equal and hit apply. And then now we have, whoops, I did something wrong there. That shouldn't be there. But anyway, now the distance from the bottom to the top is 2 inches. So that's how you get a little bit thicker. Anyway, so I'll be gone most of the day today, but if you have any questions, go ahead and ask and I'll try to answer them. Thanks.